In this video, we will be seeing how to use if statement in a Java program. So if statement is one of the decision making statements, or we can say it is one of the conditional statements in Java programming. So we use generally the if statement to provide a condition in our Java program. So using if statement, we can provide, so here we can say if statement is used for providing condition in Java program. So when we keep a condition in Java program, according to that condition, we can take the decision. So if the condition is true, we can keep a decision to be taken if condition is true. And then if not, then we can take some other decision. So based on a condition, if you want to execute any code, then you can use if statement to do so in a Java program. So it is a very basic conditional statement where we provide a condition using if keyword in a Java program. So syntax for using this is if keyword followed by condition, and then we will be writing a block of statements within the curly bracket. So here we have if keyword followed by the condition, and based on this condition result, this if block will be executed. So within the if block, we will be writing the executable statements which will be executed only if this condition is true. So if the condition provided here in this parenthesis satisfies, or if it is giving you true result, then the if block will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, this if block will not be executed. It will skip the execution of this block if condition does not satisfy. So let's see it practically in a Java program. So here in this file, I have a class student where we have the public static void main method. Now within the main method, I am taking two variables int a, comma b. So two variables I have taken. I will be using here a scanner class, scanner object in order to take the user input. So this way we can use the scanner class along with system.in. And to always use this scanner class, we need to import Java util package. We need to import it from Java util package. Now, I will be keeping a message for user to enter A and B values using the println method, predefined method. So system.out.println, and inside this I am keeping a message enter value for A and B. So this the values which are entered by the user will be scanned using scanner object like s dot using the next int predefined method. So because the A and B values will be integer type, we will be scanning the next integer. And if there is one more value, then be equal to again s dot next int. So as they are integer values, we are scanning the next integer on the output screen. So after they are scanned, we will be checking using the if keyword a condition. So now let's place a condition a greater than b. So I am here checking if a is greater than b. So I want to print a is greater than b if a greater than b condition satisfies. So I want to print here a is greater than b. Just this I want to print on the output screen if a greater than b satisfies. And if it is not satisfying, it will print nothing. And outside the if block, I will keep a single statement which will be executed uh, without, irrespective of the condition, without considering the result of condition. So here I will be keeping a thank you message which will be getting executed even if the condition not true. So now let's see how we get the result. So first it will be asking us to enter A and B value. So here we got the message, enter A and B value. I am giving 12 and 45. So you can see I got just thank you, but I did not get the message A is greater than B. This is because A value we have given as 12, B value 45. So in this case, A is less than B. It is not greater than B. So condition does not satisfy. That's why this block did not execute and we got only thank you. But again, if I execute the programs again, and if I give the value 25 and 12, then I will be getting now the message A is greater than B and then thank you. Now this is coming from if block which got executed because the condition is true. A greater than B condition which we have provided here beside the if keyword is true, and that is the reason we got this if block executed. So this way we can make use of if statement, which is one of the decision making or conditional statements in Java programming. And we have other conditional statements also. If is the very basic conditional statement. So for more on this conditional statements and other Java topics, please do subscribe the channel. On this channel, you will also be finding other computer programming languages. So thank you for watching the video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.